Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop advertise in Oppo mobile phone or any Android phone that you have right now. So here maybe you accidentally visit a web that contain a lot of ads and you accidentally download a file or download application outside Play Store on via your browser. Usually, untrusted sources bring adware, bring malware uh, into your device. So you download the application, download the files, do it with your own risk. And here, in order to stop ads or prevent ads like adware pop up advertise on your device, you can try to access settings. Here you can try to search connection and sharing. You can tap it and scroll down to the other option. Here, private DNS, you can tap it, and here make sure you turn on the private DNS and choose designated private DNS. You can tap it, and here you can try to type dns.adguard.com. Letters, number, and special character. You can check and make sure you use this designated private DNS every time. So private DNS is a mechanism used for encrypted transfer. Once connected, it helps to enhance network security, but it may also lead to network latency and connection failure. So if you select designated private DNS, please pay attention to your network connection. So you can try to search another private DNS, but I'm using this dnsn.adguard.com in order to block pop-up ads on my Oppo mobile phone Android device, and a lot of designated private DNS that you can try. You can search, you can browse via your browser, of course. There is a free one, there is a paid one, the designated private DNS. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the next button below. See you in the next video.